Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to look at how to notarize a birth affidavit. Now, this document is used when a person cannot find their birth certificate or doesn't have one, and someone else who knows them personally is saying that they know this person was born in the United States. So this has been filled out some. The person who can't find or doesn't have a birth certificate is Mira. And the person who is saying that they know this person was born in the United States is our signer, which is Daniel. So we want to make sure that this is filled out completely. So he has filled out for Mira this information, and he's known Mira basically all of her life since she was born in 1991, and he has known her 34 years. Now, here in box 8, it says state all the facts you know about the applicant's birth and state how you obtain this knowledge. Now, this is something that Daniel has to fill out himself. So let's put signer input here for Daniel to be able to fill that out. So let's put a text hint for him and say, how you know Mira. And we'll put that here. So when Daniel joins, he'll be able to see he needs to write in this information. Now we want to put the printed name of the affiant, and that is Daniel. So let's press the hotkey of 1 to put Daniel's name, and we'll put that here. We need to put the signature box for Daniel, so let's drop that here. And we need to put the social security number, and we can type that in for Daniel or have him put it in himself. Let's do signer input by using the hotkey of 8. And I want to put SSN for social security number. So Daniel can type that in when he gets to the session. The date of birth, I also want to let Daniel write that. So I'm going to put the hotkey of 8. I'm going to put DOB for date of birth. Put that here. And address of affiant, Daniel's address. So I'm going to put in 8, and I'm going to put in current address. And I will put that here for Daniel. Now, when Daniel signs, I can check his identifying document submitted by going to menu and participant ID and status. And I can fill that in when he comes, but let's say for this, I'm going to type a text box and I'm going to put in US passport and just move that here. And so I'm going to give Daniel the oath and make sure that he is confirming that he understands this document and that is filled out to the best of his knowledge or belief that the contents are true. And so now I can put my information here for this notary session. So I'm going to put subscribed and sworn to before me this, and I'm going to put a text box for 6th. I'm going to put 6th here. I'm going to put another text box for November. And I'm going to put my name here. I'll press 1. And it doesn't have a signature place, but I'm going to drop my signature right here by pressing the hotkey S and adopting this signature. And at location. So it says passport agency or city and state. So I'm going to put a text box here. And I'm going to put Monroe, New York. And I don't want to forget to drop my seal, which will go here. So I'm going to press the hotkey of N and have my seal. And I need to size it down for this small section here. Make it a little bit larger. And so before I complete this document with Daniel, I'm going to make sure that he is okay with it. Everything looks complete and accurate. and then I can go ahead and complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.